Use Office scripts to automate your repetitive tasks in Excel for the web. On the Automate tab, select Record Actions. Once recording, take the steps you want to automate. For this example, we'll add conditional formatting to this column. Hide the middle column, insert a chart, and finish by repositioning the chart. The steps we took are listed in the Record Actions pane. Select Stop to save the script. Rename the script. Need to add to the script? Select Edit. The code editor lets you tweak and customize the script to better suit your exact needs. You can also add logic and functionality, such as conditional, if-else statements, and loops. After editing, save your changes. Your scripts are saved to OneDrive so that you can run them across multiple workbooks. To run the script, switch to a different worksheet and select Run. Now you can run the script on any worksheet or workbook. Nice! To share with others, select the three dots and then Share.